personally, again, no, we know the merits and advantages that it will grant the student athletes. No? However, yun na nga, when you make a decision kasi, it's not for sport or for division. It's for the whole sporting program of all events. No? So may implications siya. So hindi siya basta-basta. So we had to politely decline, at least for this season, na hindi namin napagbibigyan yung request. No? Request naman, i-request na pagbigyan na magpa-draft yung player in the midst, or actually even before the basketball season begins. No? Medyo marami siya implication eh. And even to our most recent rulings, di ba? Siyempre ma-apektuhan yan. So kailangan careful study with all the implications, not only for basketball, but for all sporting events in the future, saka pati yung most recent one. Kailangan consistent siya in all our regulations. So, they understood naman. The community understood naman ng position. Nagbiroan na lang kami. So, it's not allowing, no. Of course, they can be drafted. It's their choice. But they have to make a choice. No? They forgo eligibility. Ganun na mangyayari. So, wala kaming binabawalan. It's just that our rule, right now, if you join the draft, you forgo your eligibility. So, ang request is pagbigyan for this season. Medyo malapit na kasi. And again, mayroon siyang epekto, marami siyang epekto rather, sa ibang sporting events namin. So, hindi siya mapagbibigyan muna, at least for this season. But we committed na i-refer namin sa committee for a really deep study on all its implications across all our sporting events. At 20 yun, di ba? 20 sporting events. Kasi kahit na hindi ka ma-choose ng team, you become a free agent. So in our eyes, you become a professional player, professional athlete. Amateur ng UAP. For now, no? For now. So yun ang aming sagot sa PBA.